Hello everyone and welcome back to the first-person shooter tutorial series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to reload the weapon when pressing the R key or any key you want. Let's get started. Open up the content drawer and open up the first-person character. Let's find the code from before. So come to the custom event out of ammo or reloading. From here, we're going to create a custom event. So right click and type custom event and press R to reload. Click and drag the player HUD variable, get, and from here we're going to check the current ammo. So drag a pin and type current ammo. So we need the variable get current ammo. So now we are going to check if we have 30 ammo in our magazine. So equals. So hold down B and press left click to call a branch. And from this pin over here, type OR. So we need OR boolean. So drag a pin again from this player HUD variable and type get reload ammo. So we need get reload ammo variable. So drag a pin from here and type equals and connect with this over here. So this pin connect with the condition. So I forgot to input here 30. So here just type 30. So with this we are checking if we have current ammo 30 or if we have reload ammo 0. So let me show you what we are doing. This is a screenshot from the game. So what are we doing here? When you press R to reload, we are going to check if the current ammo is 30, which means if you have 30, you don't want to reload. You need to have less than 30 to reload. So from true, we don't want anything to happen. Or if the reload ammo is 0, which means this here, if it's 0, you don't want to reload. Because if you have 0 reload, you cannot reload. Which means from this here, from the false, we want to run the same code from before. So you press R, we are checking all of this, and we are setting the out of ammo variable to true. So we cannot spam it, if you remember over here. And then we are showing the reloading text, and after 2 seconds, we are going to reload. So we have to do one more thing here. If you keep on pressing R button, you are going to trigger this all the time. So we want to trigger it only once. Just make more space over here. So right click and type do once. So from the false, we want do once. So when this triggers, we're going to do only once, but then we have to reset it. And we're going to reset this, press R. After 2 seconds, when we reload, then we can press the R key again. So what we can do is create another custom event. We can fire from here. So right click and type custom event and simply type reload ready. So this is how we are cleaning the code. You don't want to have wires all over the place. You can simply create a custom event. Don't worry, you can use them as much as you want. They are very light and they are good for performance. So we have to call this reload ready. Right click, reload ready. So after 2 seconds, we're going to clear the timer of the reloading, and then we can press R again. Let me just fix the code real quick. So if you want to check, you can double click it will take you there. So compile and save. And now, if you want to press R, we have to create input. So right click and type keyboard. So you can press any of these keywords. When you select this input, go on the top right corner. When you press this keyboard icon, and now when I press the R key, we are assigning R to be as a keyboard input. So if you, for example, click this, and if I press, for example, Q, it's going to be Q. But I want this to be R. And simply, you have to call this custom event. So right click and type press R to reload. Now every time when you are pressing R, we are going to check this. Now let's see in action. I'm going to play the game. Now I'm pressing R, nothing happens. But if I shoot one bullet, when I press R, I'm reloading. I'm pressing R and I'm trying to shoot, nothing happens. And I'm doing simple reload. Okay, let me show you the code one more time. If you're not familiar with the previous code, please watch the previous tutorial. So if you want to identify which one is which, go to this here and click these three dots and type press R to reload. And click this over here icon. When you zoom out, you're going to see this. Later on in the series, we're going to clean the code even more. So we're going to make this as a function or a macro, and we can clean the other nodes. Okay, this is going to be it for this video. I hope you've learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.